In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Asana email notifications, whether you're looking to cut down on email clutter, or simply prefer to check your notifications directly in the app. Managing these settings can make a big difference in your digital life. Let's dive right in and simplify your inbox. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Asana website. If you're not already logged in, you'll be greeted by the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Asana account. It's important to ensure you're using the correct email, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you've entered your email, click on the continue button. This will prompt you to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. Type your password, ensuring it's accurate, and then hit the login button. This will take you directly to your Asana homepage, where you can see all your ongoing projects and tasks. From the homepage, draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you need to select the Settings option. This will open up a new window displaying various tabs related to your account preferences. Next, look for the Notifications tab and click on it. This tab houses all the settings pertaining to how and where you receive notifications from Asana. In this section, locate the Email Notifications option. Clicking on it will reveal a list of different types of email notifications Asana can send you. To modify your email settings, simply uncheck the boxes next to the notification types you wish to disable. These might include notifications for task updates, mentions, reminders, and more. By unchecking these boxes, you're instructing Asana not to send you emails for these particular updates. One of the best parts about Asana's settings is that your changes are saved automatically. There's no need to look for a save button or worry about losing your changes. As you uncheck the boxes, Asana takes care of the rest and updates your preferences instantly. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your Asana email notifications to better suit your needs. Now you can focus on collaborating with your team without worrying about your inbox getting overwhelmed. If you ever need to tweak these settings again, you can simply revisit this menu and adjust accordingly. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.